NASDAQ against, we can see the NASDAQ on the market has formed this bullish candle at the start of the week where the price has expected to rise in value, but we can see the price has stopped just right here at the supply zone, a small one around 18270, and then the price has dropped down for the rest of the week. We see these bearish candles on a Thursday has stopped just here where the support level is, but on a Friday the price is forming this bearish breakout to the downside. On the weekly time frame, this looks like after the price has formed this bullish breakout in the 2 weeks ago, the price has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, but this week the price has gone down. It was expected the price will try to continue to rise in value, reaching 18,500, but this week the price has decided to return back below. Something has happened on the market, so the market is switching, which means this week has a bearish breakout, which needs to be confirmed next week. So we will see what happens. On the monthly time frame, this month has currently it is a bearish candle, which is still 2 weeks until this month ends, so we need to wait what happens. But currently, as it looks, the price is bounced around 18,500, which is a supply zone, and now the traders are returning back down, pushing the price even more. So the selling pressure has started, and the bullish strength that has pushed the price above these levels is currently losing the strength. So for any better conclusions, we need to go to the lower time frames, which is weekly and the daily time frames. So for now, as it looks, let's stretch this one. Just a minute. Let's reach this one a little bit more up. And here it is. Now, as it looks right here, we have the prices forming some kind of bearish breakout to the downside on the weekly time frame, where the next stop could be around 17600. We can see it here. But the best support level is around this one, which will be a confluence of support levels. We can see this uptrend channel support line and this horizontal support line. So for the price, as it looks, the price is trying to reach lower side levels, and on the upper side the price needs to return back above 18,000 in order to continue to rise in value. But currently what we have here, it is a bearish breakout that I would like to see the price confirms, and that means the price do not return next week above this one, which is 18,000. So for the daily time frame, we can see that the very critical level for the bulls was this one, 18,000, for a very long time. For several days, we can see it here, and then the price managed to go above and stayed above for several weeks. And for now, we can see the price has formed this bearish candle, which is a bearish breakout. Currently, what I am expecting is the price could return back up a little bit and then continue to fall down in value. We can see in the past, when the price has reached this area, the price has formed and dropped down in value, and it has stopped just here, which is at 17,600. So this is the first level where I'm expecting the price will stop. But if the price returns back on the Monday above 18,000, this will mean that this bearish breakout to the downside has been not validated, and this means the price will try to continue to rise in value in the opposite direction. So what happens on a Monday is usually what happens for the rest of the week, because after the Monday the price starts to form the trend for the rest of the week. So this is something what I'm expecting to see on the market. Will it confirm this one, which is a bearish breakout to the downside, or it will invalidate this bearish breakout, which means the price will continue to rise in value. So for now, on the weekly time frame, this is a bearish breakout. We can see it here, that needs to be confirmed, and we can see on the daily time frame it is also a bearish breakout, which needs to be confirmed. So if this is confirmed on the Monday on the daily time frame, this will mean that the price will drop down in value, and this is something that I will watch each day, what happens on the market, and share inside the Telegram group with the traders. The link will be for the Telegram below in the description. So this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.